Welcome to our tours where you can visit outstanding farms, to wonderful lake properties and everything in between. This recently renovated home sits on 2.5 acres, fully fenced and ready for your livestock. Close to the Gulf, if fishing appeals to you, and property is turnkey ready. Detached 2-car garage with a full workshop, refrigerator, standalone ice maker, and wash sink, ideal for storing boat, farm equipment, etc. Home has been updated throughout. The kitchen features new cabinets, countertops, farm sink, under cabinet lighting. 2023 an upgraded AC system was installed, hot water heated and well bladder. The great room has cathedral ceilings, and a stone-faced wood-burning fireplace. Split bedroom floor plan and spacious dining area along with a large screened-in porch and fenced dog run complete the move-in ready property.